I get paid 6 figures as a product manager to sit in meetings, write documents, and survive Jira. So here are the Claude Code commands that are actually keeping me sane. First one is /MCP. This is the most important capability of Claude. It's not the model like the Sonnet or the Opus. It's Claude Code's ability to reach out to other systems and do things for you. My whole work life exists in Jira, Slack, and Google Documents. So that's all the tools I use to do work in Claude Code. Next one is /rename. Anytime I'm working on something that I know I will need again later, I rename the chat immediately. Because 2 weeks later, I don't want to scroll through a graveyard of random Claude sessions that I've had, trying to remember which one had the PRD draft or the technical diagram or the release notes. By the way, I have a cheat sheet at the end of the video explaining all of this if you want to save it to your phone. Next one is resume, and this is how I go back to the chats that I renamed earlier. I'll use /resume, find the chat I renamed, and continue from there instead of starting from 0 every single time. /color, it's tiny but surprisingly useful. Sometimes I have multiple Claude Code sessions running at the same time, so I use color to change the color of the line. It sounds really small, but visually just helps me understand which session I'm in without thinking too hard. /clear is what I use when I'm starting like a totally completely new task. If the next thing I'm doing has nothing to do with the current chat, that's when I run clear. This clears the context and starts fresh, so I'm not burning through like thousands of tokens by dragging over one giant messy conversation forever. So these are just the basics. I use a bunch more Claude Code commands for actual product management work, so follow me for part 2. If you want my Claude Code cheat sheet, comment code and I'll send it to you.